Ever wanted to share your contact quickly without typing anything? On the Galaxy S25 Ultra, your profile card has a built-in QR code that others can scan to instantly save your number. Let me show you how to use it. To do so, open the Contacts app. At the top of the list, tap Me. Tap the QR code icon at the bottom. As you can see, your phone will generate a QR code containing your contact info. Next, let the other person scan it with their camera and your contact details will appear on the screen so they can save it instantly. If you want, you can tap share to send the QR code as an image through WhatsApp, messages, or others. And that's it. No more spelling your name or reading your number out loud. Just show your QR code and you are done. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.